Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Kila. I am a customer marketing manager here at Pipedrive, and actually I'm really excited here today to actually have Dailius with me. Also goes by DW. He is a VP of Sales and Growth at GetAccept. He's going to go ahead and say hi real quickly right now.
Hey everyone, and I can see some familiar faces and friends online too, as well as some new ones. Welcome.
Awesome. And like we said, we're just so happy to have you here today. Just to give you a nice quick introduction to our Pipedrive and GetAccept integration. Basically, how this webinar is going to work is we're just going to basically switch turns speaking. In the beginning, I'm just going to go ahead and give you kind of a quick overview of Pipedrive, and then I'm going to basically throw it over to DW to tell you a lot more about GetAccept and this really cool integration we have set up. But basically, first things first, I just want to go over some quick logistical things with all of you, just so that this webinar is most helpful for you moving forward. First of all, if you have any questions at any time, please feel free to ask them. You're going to notice in the top right-hand corner of your screen, you're going to see a little questions tab. Basically, if you press there, that will take you to a separate area, and we'll go ahead and answer those questions for you. We also will be sending you a recording of this webinar, so if you miss a part of it, if you want to rewatch it, it's going to be really easy to re-access this webinar in your email. We are streaming this live, so if you encounter any audio or technical hiccups, just go ahead and refresh your screen, and that typically will solve that for you. Also, if you are not using it already, really recommend that you switch over to Chrome or Firefox to watch the webinar, just because the Livestorm software that we use works best on those browsers. Lastly, this is obviously a really special integration webinar that we're having, but we actually have a few other webinars that you can play around with. Those other webinars, the links to sign up for those are in the chat to the very top, so definitely go ahead and check those out as well. So just wanted to give you some quick background about Pipedrive. We are about 8 years old. We were founded in Tallinn, Estonia by a group of sales managers who are just looking for a very nice, easy CRM. Since then, we have grown rapidly. We now have 350 plus employees in multiple locations, and now over 70,000 people and companies use us in over 170 countries. So really excited to potentially add you to those growing number of users that utilize us every day. Now, for those of you who aren't already using Pipedrive, you might be wondering, why Pipedrive? Why should I choose Pipedrive over all these other CRMs out there? Three really big reasons. First of all, we're incredibly simple to use. It's only going to take you a couple days to feel comfortable using our system, if that. Secondly, Pipedrive really revolves around this activity-based visual pipeline. So every time you use Pipedrive, you're going to see immediately what you have to do. We really want to simplify your process, just let you know what you have scheduled, what's your next step. And then lastly, as you'll see here today, we're also incredibly easy to customize and integrate with. So you can basically change and add on to our system anything you need to make it more suited to you and a better fit for you. And obviously, one of these great customizations that we have is with GetAccept, which DW is going to tell you a lot more about right now.
Fantastic. So GetAccept actually emerged from the Y Combinator program, which is probably the preeminent program for startups in the world out of Silicon Valley. So we've grown from 0 customers now to over 5,000. And some of our customers are actually here on this webinar. So if you want to ask some questions directly in the chat too, feel free to do so. And our main focus is to do 2 things: to help you stop deals from going dark, and to create more engaging sales processes, because we all know right now that many companies sell in the same way. So we want to help you elevate from that noise. And our platform is fully integrated with Pipedrive, and it helps you send contracts, quotes, sales documents, and many other things, which we'll also talk about throughout this webinar. What we're going to do today is we're going to go over 4 points. Firstly, we're going to go over the installation of how to install GetAccept. We're also going to show you how to set up your first template. We're then going to show you how to merge your data from Pipedrive into this template. And finally, we're going to touch on sending and receiving these quotes and contracts out of Pipedrive. I'm going to now throw it back to Kila, who's going to go over some further points.
Awesome. Thanks, DW. So basically, one final slide I just had to go over real quickly before taking you guys to the really cool integration part of this webinar. Basically, it's how to connect Pipedrive to GetAccept. And if you haven't done so already, it's very, very simple to do. All you have to do is go into your Pipedrive settings. Once you're in your Pipedrive settings, at the very bottom on the left-hand side, you're going to see apps and integrations. Once you go ahead and click there, you're going to be able to click on that big green button, go to Marketplace, which is essentially like an app store for Pipedrive. Or alternatively, you can also just open up your web browser and go to marketplace.pipedrive.com. Once you go there, just search for GetAccept, and basically once you find it, all you have to do is click on that big green button, Install Now, and that will connect GetAccept to your Pipedrive account. But now basically DW is going to go ahead and just show you how to set up the integration and all the really cool things you can do with it. So just bear with us for just a few moments. It takes a little bit of time to switch screens.
Getting started with GetAccept is extremely easy. The first thing you're going to do is install GetAccept for your Google Chrome browser. In order to do so, hop onto chrome.google.com, and on the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar on the left-hand side. Inside this search bar, type in Pipedrive space GetAccept, and immediately on the right-hand side, you'll see this result pop up in the extensions section. To install the extension, simply click it once and a modal will pop up prompting you to add it to Chrome with this button here on the right. Click that once and you'll be guided through to install it promptly. When you return to Pipedrive, you'll now see that the GetAccept function is actually visible on any deal record you're engaging with. If you're not seeing this, what you might have to do is click one of the GetAccept icons in the top bar of Google Chrome. Then refresh, and you'll see that GetAccept pops up promptly. If you're using GetAccept for the first time, you'll be prompted to create your own free account. That's on us. The next step is for you to actually log in with the account details you've created. As I'm a long-term user, given my role at the company, I'm just going to log in quickly here. Before we send a proposal for e-signing today, what we're going to do is set up a template within the GetAccept system. This is going to allow myself and my staff to send this out in a repeatable fashion, but in a way that we can avoid duplicate data entry. What we're going to set up now will automatically pull out the company details and the personal details of the associated contact from Pipedrive into the GetAccept experience. To get started, log into app.getaccept.com with the same credentials you used to create your account. Then go into the templates section and upload a template of your choice. If you don't have any for contracts or design proposals or a number of other use cases, don't hesitate to get in contact with us, as we'll provide you with a number of templates to get you started. Here's an example of a proposal for a design course that we're sending out to our customers. In order to personalize this experience, all we have to do is go to the add section and add text fields which are going to serve to merge our data from Pipedrive into this proposal. To find the codes that we need to merge, return to Pipedrive, click Send New Document, move through the first section, and click this section here which says Show Template Parameters. We see here that now all the fields are visible to us and we're able to copy the merge tags into our GetAccept proposal. I'd like to copy the deal's name and the deal's company over. So it's as simple as clicking here and I have Timothy's Pipedrive's name, paste it into the pre-filled value section and then give it a label. In this case, I'm going to call it person name. We're then going to repeat this for the company name. All we need to do is repeat the exercise, place this under here like so, paste the company information which we just saw previously. Given that we've made those two customizations, now we're going to add a handwritten signature field. Although laws in the United States don't require this now, and digital signature has been compliant since the year 2000, Some of our clients prefer a hand signature. In order to do this, what we're going to do is scroll to this blank area here and add a signature like this. Then we're going to add the recipient's name, who's the person that's going to be signing this document. Then we'll also add a sign date for clarity. Fantastic. Now we're ready to send our GetAccept signable proposal. To start sending, we're going to exit out of here. We're going to go back to refresh and click Send New Document. We'll then make sure that this tab is set to Signer, and we'll search for the template that we just created. Fantastic. I've got it here under Pipedrive Webinar. Then we'll click Next, and we'll see that automatically those fields that we've created have pulled in the company name and also the recipient name, just like we wanted. I planned this example because sometimes you don't want this data to merge automatically. What happens if there's an error or a data formality that won't look good on your finished product? For instance, here we can see that the CRM person has made an error and Timothy's I in his name is capitalized when it shouldn't be. So let's correct that. On the company name, it says Pipedrive Inc., but I actually know that in America, Pipedrive trades under Pipedrive Limited as an example. So I might want to change that for the legal formalities. I'm then going to click Next, and what I'll be able to do is add and record a video. This gives that proposal an extra human touch and allows it to stand out from the crowd. Let's record it together now. I press the Start Recording button, and there you have it. It's simple as that. Now the video's been uploaded, we can rename the contract, which I'll do so now. And you see that it now has a template by default for sending. In GetAccept, we also have the option to send the contract via SMS. To do so, make sure that the mobile number is correct in Pipedrive and click Send Link also by SMS. Now we're ready to click Send. Are you ready, guys? Let's do it. This will normally only take a few seconds, and once it's done, you'll be given the option to set a predefined follow-up. For me, I know I want to be following up deals every 3 days or so I'm going to click 3. And you can see on the left that that follow-up task has automatically been created for me. Now I've received the GetAccept contract on both my email and also on my mobile phone. I'm actually going to open this and show you what it looks like for the client. The experience is loaded, and to save myself the embarrassment, I've paused the video here. But you can see here that both of those fields have populated nicely into our document. As I scroll through, now GetAccept is going to record the analytics and tell me which areas of the proposal the prospect was focusing the most on. Either here they found some details or they're a bird fan, but as they move through the document, this is going to record all this information for me. I can see here is the signable area, or I'm prompted right here, and it wants me to actually view the whole document itself. So I'm going to click Sign Document, draw my signature as so, and click Done. Now that I've come back into Pipedrive, I can see a couple of things. Not only on the right hand side can I tell that this contract has been signed, but if I scroll through, I can see an activity record of all the things that have occurred as Timothy has viewed the document. Even the signed document is attached automatically, so I don't have to import the information. And I've actually enabled an advanced setting to allow me to automatically set the deal status to 1. That way, my team and I can be focusing on the deals in play. So just to recap, we've created a proposal within the GetAccept system. We've then created fields which allow you to merge the data from your Pipedrive instance onto that proposal template. Finally, I've showed you what it looks like for the consumer, how you can choose between a digital or a handwritten signature, and then the information automatically populates back into Pipedrive for your convenience. It's just too simple. After taking this webinar, you're well and truly on the way to GetAccept Mastery. But if you'd like to learn more about how you can leverage GetAccept to get the most out of Pipedrive, there's no reason that education should stop with this webinar. I've made myself available for a limited number of personal one-on-one Pipedrive masterclasses where we're going to go through a number of sales and marketing use cases for this technology, and I'm even going to invest the time to set up a working example for you and your team. In order to take advantage of this opportunity, jump onto info.getaccept.com/pipedrive. That's info.getaccept.com/pipedrive. But spots are limited. I can only take on 20 people in this course with me right now, given the constraints on my calendar. So type in your details on this page and I'll be in touch with you within 20 minutes of you inquiring.
Awesome. So thank you so much, DW, for going over that integration with us. Like you said, he's having this really special class. So if you want to learn more, definitely go ahead and check out that link. DW has put that link in the chats, and also you'll see it here on the screen. But whether you have more questions about Pipedrive or GetAccept, please feel free to put them in the chats. We're just more than happy to help you out further. But thank you so much for joining us today. That was just a very quick overview. I really hope this was helpful for you all, but we hope to hear from you soon and hope you guys have a great rest of your week and have a great one.